We're outside the Wisconsin State Capitol building. There's a lot to see here, both inside and out. Today, though, let's just focus on and admire the inside. The main features you're going to notice when we get inside are some beautiful gold trim, some very stunning mosaics up in the dome area, and everywhere a lot of marble. They imported marble from several European countries, as well as the eastern and central United States. You've probably noticed I'm doing a little bit of a fly-through, and I think you're really in for a treat.